back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be testing out my favorite slimes. So let's head to the video. First one, I have this blue one. I did this right now. What I mean right now. It's so stretchy. I just added magic though. That's name magic though. Sort of looks like Play-Doh, except once you add paint, like you guys could use this type of paint if you guys want. But I think this paint, I don't really use this paint. I use Dollar Tree paint, but like those sets that they sell at Dollar Tree. Yeah, so those ones. That's what I use. So I choose this one 10 out of 10 just because I just did it. It's cool. I have this strawberry one that I just did too. Strawberry. I did that one too. Right now, I did a mix of colors. I mixed up some green and some blue. I mixed up some red, but the red, it's faded away. I have this green one here that I did. So that's why I have these little baskets. The other one right here. Yeah, this one used unicorns. Next one, we have to go with the Craft City. So first one, I have a lot of these types. Let me do this one. Ew. This slime. This one is one of my favorite slimes. It's so cool. It has like these little bubble things inside. I created this one. I thought the blue was gonna go good, but now that I don't play with it since a long time, all the little beads just pop out. Yep, all the little beads. Oh my god! Everything was popping out, and I was like, what? Oh my god, everything's popping out. Come on, stick it there. Now I have to add the bag in the game. That makes some farting sound. Funny. Okay. Next thing I found was this one. Oh my god. This one, I created it too. Like the lid over here. I added gems in this one, and it smells like cookie. Yeah, cookie and dough. I made this one. I added some gems and everything. Well, I didn't make it. This time already came. I just decorated it with like some add-ins and stuff like that. Look at that. It's so cool. I don't know if you guys can see me from right here. If you guys see me, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys don't see me, Mr. Slime, give me a subscribe. That's so fun. Next slime I'm gonna do will be this orange one. I call this one the tropical lime. The tropical lime. Tropical lime. It's like a good name, tropical lime. Whoa. This one is so cool. It's like what I mean, cool. It's cool. It's gonna oh my god, come on. Wow. So great. Oh my god. This is so cool. This one was pretty stretchy. Oh, slow down. Add this one back inside. Okay, next I have this. Whoa. This white one is my favorite. It's so cool. Oh my god. So stretchy. It's so cool. Like, oh, look at that. Look at that stretch. I don't know if I can stretch this one because this one's like, wow, like very. Okay, sorry to stretch. it stretches a little. Not that much. Not that much. That makes some farting sounds. That's funny when you make farting sounds. Okay, now I'm gonna go show you the other slime. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of the other slime. Right? Oh yeah. There's some more from Craft City. I don't know if I'm saying it good. Right there it says Craft City. So this one, I love this one. It's my favorite one of all of them. I love the smell and everything. The day I opened this, I was like, wait, why are they selling this at Dollar Tree? Everything was at Dollar Tree. Well, some things. This, I made it. But this was at Dollar Tree. This was at Dollar Tree. I was like, they're $1, like for 3. They came 3 in there. Fun. Fun. This is a yellow one. So the stretch is pretty good. When I mean stretch, it stretches. Is that in there? So I'm gonna go get but I have more slime, because I love slime. Okay, now we're gonna do. We should do 2 of these. Okay, I'm gonna get these 2. Okay, now I'm gonna. Right now, guess the color. You guys have the option of green, pink, blue, yellow, white, or brown. If you guys comment down below. If you guys said blue, you were right. I did blue. So I was looking at blue and I was like, ooh, green. And I'm like, oh no, I said use blue. This one's so fun. I feel like this one's a little more foggy. These were at $1, like at Dollar Tree. They were fun. So it was a 3-pack for all of them. Squeeze. 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 Did I squeeze them all? Now I'm gonna go like this one for me. It's a cool one. Ooh, look at this. It's a green one. This green one was cool. Woo. This was so good. Now we have to shake it. Did you see that? Like, okay, now I'm gonna go do something quick right now. So I have to go get something from the Willow Corner. Wait, there's my doll. Right there. I'm gonna get this quick. One of these ball rackets that are tiny. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. And I'm gonna pick out one of my homemade slimes. Like this one. These are my homemade. So let's choose red first. And I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna look at. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. That's like a lollipop that, like a cool one. Okay, now the hard part. It's so hard to take it out. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Trying to take it out was hard. It's gonna be hard. Well, this is the end of this video. So bye guys.